Hello everyone, Ricky Doolin here, and I've came to make this video to give you a special announcement that after careful deliberation I've decided to join the Advance UK political party with Ben Habib. I think Ben has been outstanding in the recent podcast and interviews that he's done, and I share a lot of his passion and a lot of his ideas for the future of this wonderful country. Great Britain is a wonderful country. British culture and the British people are also wonderful and very much worth fighting for. And the future of our country for our children and our children's children is the biggest fight that we all are engaged in. And I think with Advance UK, we have the opportunity to build up enough momentum to really take government after the next general election. Now, of course, we have the Unite the Kingdom movement with the British hero Tommy Robinson that I'm a proud part of as well. And that really is making a huge impact as a cultural movement, not only in Britain, but around the whole world. Now, the final piece of the puzzle is definitely the political party and the ability to win elections and to win the government of Great Britain back to some type of common sense and right way of thinking. So Advance UK is the vehicle that I've chosen to do that and that I believe can do that. Now, I've also joined the political movement Restore Britain with Rupert Law. This is because I believe in Rupert Law as a British political leader, and also I believe in a lot of the policies that they've put forward through Restore Britain. So I've joined both Advance UK and Restore Britain, and now we move forward with the goal to stand for this wonderful nation and to win this wonderful nation from the hands of the globalists and the far left that are doing everything they can to destroy it. This is our time. This is our moment. We stand for Britain. Thank you.